guys! Good morning! Ayan, good morning na. Ano oras na ba? My God, it's 2:45 in the morning na. Yes, it's December 17. I'm filming this. And this is regarding actually about the bride-to-be na bibili sana ng sapatos. And mysteriously, naglaho, nawala. And 5 days na siyang nawawala. From that day na nawala siya. And, diba? Crazy. Let's start the topic with this. Kasi, I'm wearing just the face mask. Just the, yan. I don't have any makeups on. So, I feel like it's inappropriate. But, I just wanna discuss things with the face mask on. Wala lang, mas confident lang ako magsalita with face mask on. Especially at work. I also used to wear face mask whenever I'm discussing something into my customers or to my clients. So that's how it works. That's why I'm wearing it. I just wanted to explain that real quick. And then let's just get into the topic already. And the reason why I'm filming this is that I just want to pinpoint something into this because I'm a fan of documentaries and I love watching documentaries for missing person, for murders, or criminals or whatnot. I'm not pinpointing to anyone regarding this. I just wanted to make a point for this because sometimes we get too blinded about what is the situation really. So what happened here is that there's a missing girl and she will be married soon to someone, and I watch all of the videos online, TikTok, FB, YouTube, name it, and the partner never shed a tear at all. I don't feel the urgency of looking for the person he is looking for, and I'm sorry, I just don't feel like he was expecting her to come back. Yeah. I feel bad about that. But I hope nothing bad happened. I hope she's okay. I hope she's fine. I hope makabalik pa siya. I hope na makita siya. Alam mo yun, hindi ko sila kilala personally, pero I feel bad and I feel like I need to say something about this. Kasi kung ikakasal ka na and you're excited about it, sabi kinalkal daw yung phone, dapat chinek mo yung Google history niya, yung TikTok history niya, ano yung mga sinearch niya. Kasi kung excited ka sa isang bagay, isi-search mo yun. Ano yung magandang pair ng sapatos for this, para sa ganitong style, you'll check it on Pinterest, on Google, 'di ba? Magse-search ka, and then magse-search ka din ng mga locations kung saan ka makakabili or makaka-arkila ng magandang sapatos, 'di ba? And first things first, kung aalis ka ng bahay and excited ka nga daw dun sa nalalapit na kasal nyo, magdadala ka ng phone. Bakit? Kasi sabi, mag-isa lang siya, 'di ba? Kung nakasanayan niya na mag-isa siya, and based dun sa setup nila na live-in sila ng partner niya, and work from home setup siya, and hindi siya sanay na lumalabas ng mag-isa, then definitely, ang first option ko dyan, if ako yung babae, is that hihintayin ko yung partner ko na makauwi, kung makakauwi siya ng hapon, and then, papasama ko sa kanya, para makuha ko yung opinion niya kung tingin mo bagay ba to sa akin, maganda ba, ganyan. Girls, ganyan ka, 'di ba? Ganyan ang mga babae, karamihan ng babae ganon. Kailangan nila ng another person na titingin kung okay ba, maganda ba, bagay ba. So, siya ang first option. Kung hindi man siya available, next is yung closest na family member like mama, papa, or sister, 'di ba? Kung hindi sila available, closest friend. Yun talaga. Perfect yun. Yun yung at least top 3 na talagang lalapitan mo kung talaga excited ka dun sa isang bagay, 'di ba? Para at least man lang meron kang opinion eh. Kasi kahit na lalaki yung sasama sa'yo, like yung brother mo, hindi available sister mo, brother mo, kukunin mo na yun, i-take mo na yung opportunity na yun. Kasi gusto lang naman ng babae makarinig minsan ng another opinion bukod sa opinion na gusto niya. Parang, alam mo yun, kahit kinukontra yung opinion mo, ay hindi ate, mas bagay yung kabila. Siyempre, ikaw yung may last say, ba diba? So, pipili ka pa rin doon. Gusto mo lang talaga makarinig ng other options. Ganon. For me, most of the girls are like that. I don't know if she's like that. Pero, it's very ideal na dadali niya yung phone niya. Kasi, kahit naman work from home setup yun, for sure, meron niyang mga kaibigan. Kaibigan nung elementary, nung high school, before pandemic, or even after pandemic, or kahit sa work from home setup niya, may friend na rin siya na, alam mo yun, nakakausap dyan, for sure. 'Di ba? At least, meron tayong one friend talaga na nakakausap natin the whole time. Na nasasabi mo lahat-lahat ng bagay sa kanya. Ganyan. So, I think, dapat at least merong ganun dun sa phone niya. 'Di ba? Kung hindi sa fiancé niya, then there must be someone na close sa kanya. Na napagsabihan niya ng lahat. 'Di ba? Kung anong nafe-feel niya, kung ano yung mga balak niyang gawin and all that. And then, for me kung malapit lang yung bahay ko, hindi ako mag-get up ng super get up talaga na parang magja-jogging kung bibili ako ng rubber shoes. Bibili ako ng wedding shoes. 'Di ba? Hindi ako mag-rubber shoes. Kasi, papahirapan ko pa yung sarili ko. Barin ko pa yun. Itatali ko pa yun. Tagalin pa yung medyas ko. Para lang masukat ko yung wedding shoes, 'di ba? Kasi normally, wedding shoes is isusuksok mo lang yung paa mo. O kaya naman, meron ka pang mga igaganyan-ganyan na parang mga belt na maliliit doon or isusuot-suot na ganyan, 'di ba? Mga normal sandals. I don't wear sandals kasi that much. Normally, Crocs lang ako, naka-Crocs lang ako or naka-slippers lang ako. 'Yun. My go-to talaga is Crocs, ganyan. 'Di ba? Kaya sabi ko, parang she looks weird na aalis ng bahay na naka-get up na gano'n. And, 'di ba, more likely kapag ganyan, ako, gusto ko, nakikita ko yung paa ko na bagay ba, maganda ba? Mga ganun. At least magdadress ako or naka-shorts na lang, ganyan. Like, the usual, yung get up na pang malapit lang talaga yung outfit mo, ganyan. Kasi yung get up niya parang pupunta ng malayo talaga eh. Mukha siyang pupunta ng malayo. Mukha siyang mga magja-jogging, ganyan. Magbabagyo, malamig. Mapupunta siya sa malamig na place, ganun. So, I just feel weird na ganyan. Pero kung ganyan talaga siya manamit, that's fine I have nothing against that. That's okay. That's just for me, my perception lang. Sa tingin lang, first look, ganyan. Kasi mga pinakitang videos, tsaka pictures niya kasi nung mga prenup nila, parang nag-ano naman siya, nagti-t-shirt lang siya nagka-crop top naman siya di ba? Hindi naman siya ganun ka-sensitive when it comes to clothing So, I don't think that's something na appropriate for, alam mo yun, hindi yan yung get up na isusuot mo para magsukat ng wedding shoes. Yun yung perfect na sabihin para doon. Hindi yan yung perfect get up for pagsusukat ng wedding shoes. So, I feel like, hindi talaga siya magsusukat ng wedding shoes. And, FCM is not the only option. Kasi kung maghahanap ako ng wedding shoes para sa biggest event ng buhay ko, pupunta ako sa maganda-gandang bilihan syempre, 'di ba? Para man lang, hello, minsan lang ako ikasal, 'di ba? Gusto ko naman bongga, maayos, maganda, ganyan. 'Di ba? At least babudgetan mo naman 'yun. Siguro naman for 10 years, 'di ba? Nag-save ka naman para doon, looking forward ka para doon sa wedding na 'yon, 'di ba? Let's say, okay, mahirap ang buhay, ganyan. Pero at least, 'di ba, you tried to save up something para doon. Napag-usapan niyo naman siguro yung ganyan. So, I don't think na magsisettle siya for less ng ganun-ganun lang. Especially, parang they kinda conservative part. So, definitely maghanap siya ng decent and magandang shoes para sa kanya. So, that's just my take. I think at least there's one person who knows where she is. meron at merong nakakaalam. Kung sino man yun, hindi natin alam, hindi ko rin alam, and mahirap mag-pinpoint ng mga tao na possible na may alam dito. Pero at least, sana ma-check nila lahat dun sa phone. Sino yung last na kausap, sino yung last na naka-chat, ano yung Google search history, mga ganyang bagay. Ano yung mga normally sina-search niya lately. And check din nila kung meron bang changes sa attitude niya previously, or ano yung mga previous na conversation nila sa family niya or sa fiancé niya recently. And hopefully, the truth will come out. So, ayun. I just feel sad lang na magki-Christmas and then ganyan, 'di ba? And then everything has been set up. Kasi ako, siguro naman sa 10 years, may pinagsamahan na sila nun para masabi man lang niya dun sa partner niya kung hindi pa siya ready, 'di ba? Masasabi naman niya yan. And i-consider niya rin naman siguro yung gastos, if ever, dun sa mga, kasi naka-set up na eh, 'di ba, lahat. Like, lahat okay na eh. Siya na lang yung kulang. I feel like, somehow naman, she knows naman siguro how to communicate. So, I'm not sure kung bakit aalis siya. I don't think it's intentional na ginawa niya yun. There must be a reason for everything. And whatever that reason is, I hope she's okay. I hope she's fine. I hope she'll come back safe and sound. So, ayun lang. I just wanted to share yung mga napansin ko regarding this. And ayun, mag-wait tayo kung ano yung update dito ulit. So, gusto ko lang malaman kung ganun din ba yung most of the girls sa inyo. Kayo ba? Ano sa palagay nyo? Without pinpointing anyone or without assuming anything for this, kung ano man, anong palagay ninyo? May point ba? I think my point naman and my sense naman yung sinishare ko right now. As a girl, ha? As a girl. That's for me, as a girl. And more likely naman kasi yung mga girls halos same lang yan somehow. Iba-iba lang syempre ng looks and some of the attitudes, you know, because of hormones and whatnot and lifestyle. So, I think that's just the average because I'm just an average one. And I don't know. Let's just wait kung ano pa. Siguro, another thing pa pala, sabi sirado yung exit and entrance camera ng mall. So, siguro may mga establishment na malalapit doon na maybe na-capture siya kung may lumabas at may pumasok ba doon na na bride, diba? Bride to be. So, at least ma-capture nila yun doon. Kasi 5 days pa lang naman siya nawawala. Normally kasi 1 week bago ma-erase yung mga CCTV cameras. Depende sa storage. So, I hope mahanap siya. So, ayun lang. Good vibes lang everyone and hopefully makakuha tayo ng update bago man lang matapos ng taon regarding dito sa missing bride natin. And kung napapanood ko ng missing bride, just come out and then speak for yourself and communicate with your relatives para alam nila kung anong nangyayari sa'yo. Okay? Bye-bye! Good morning!